Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about on what stock we traded today and I'll be showing you my live trade what I did today and also we'll be doing a live market analysis. Okay, so to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. So guys, yes, today is 11th of September. So currently the pre-open market is now running. So we'll see how the pre-open market is performing right now. Okay. So yes, so the pre-open market is now closed and Nifty is opening at 0.01% down. Okay, not a bit of a movement as of now. 11,447.80 is where the Nifty opening today, and advances stocks are 20 and declines are 27 and unchanged are 3. Okay, so this looks like market might go down today. Okay, so here are the stocks which are opening at the gap up. That is Hindalco with 1.16% up, HDFC Life with 1.06% up, and Infratel with almost 1.03% up. So almost these three stocks are having above 1% of gap opening. And coming to the stocks which are opening in a downtrend are HCL Tech with 1.44% down, Zeal with 0.99% down, and Wipro with 0.72% down. Okay, so yeah, this is how the market is looking right now in the pre-open market. So once the market opens in few minutes, I'll be telling you on what stock I'll be trading and what stock I pick, and also I'll be showing you my live trade what I take. So stay tuned for that. So guys, today we'll be trading on Indalco. Yes, the stock what is selected today to trade is on Indalco. So after few minutes, I'll be telling you guys whether I'll be entertaining a buy or sell trade. Okay, so today's stock is Indalco. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and lot of things in my channel, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to my stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also if you're new to a stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. And also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. So you can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proofs. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, by being said that, now let me show you the live trade what we did today. Okay, so guys, right now I'm in a short sell side of Intelco, so around 177.50 is where I have shorted the stock and I'm waiting for this to go down. As of now the low mid is 177.20, so hoping my 0.5% target will get achieved, so we'll wait for it. One zero now. 177 is the low. So waiting for 177 to break. So once it breaks 177, it might go down. So yes, 176.95. So if I keep almost 1 rupee target, it will be like 0.5%, because the stock price is 177.50 is where I shorted. 176.50 would be the 0.5% target. Almost near to there, just 10 paisa. Yes, 5 has been done. So yes, 176.30. So my 0.5% target is hit here, and we can still see how far the Intelco would perform today. But anyway, the target was achieved, and this was the call what was given to our clients also. So guys, as you can see, Indelco made a low of almost 174.80, and as you guys know, my 0.5% target was achieved when I shorted in the morning itself. Yes, it was a very quick trade, and also as you guys can see, the stock moved up also. Okay, so this was how the stock performed today, and this was the profit what I was able to book today in today's trade of Indelco. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. So guys, these are the client screenshot of profit what they have shared with me. So Indelco, 2,250 rupees profit, 1,505 rupees profit, 1,109 rupees profit, and 3,424 rupees profit. So these are the profit what you're able to book today in today's trade of Indelco. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.